Yn Uwch Gynghrair, merched Cymru gymryd ei mond 3 munud i'r Fenni fynd ar y blaen yn Llansawel, cicrydd Mali Summers yn curo Courtney Young. Wedi chwarter awr, Lindsay Davies yn manteisio ar bas lac gan y tîm cartra, ac un o ser amlyca'r Gynghrair yn rhwydo'r ail i'r Fenni. Yna, Carys Buffton yn troi ar ymyl y cwrt, ond Courtney Young yn arbed yn dda yn isel i'w chwith. Lindsay Davies yn creu lle i groesi allan ar y dde, a Sian Bull yn rheoli'r foli'n gywir i rwydo'r drydedd i'r ymwelwyr. Bu bron i Bull gael ei hael cyn yr egwyl, ond Courtney Young yn arbed yn arwrol y tro hwn. Wedi troi, tro Bull oedd hi greu gol i Lindsay Davies, pas hyfryd a Davies yn sgorio ei hael o'r pnawn. Trodd Peter yn 5 wrth i Mali Summers daro am yr eildro, peniad nerthol ar y postyn pella. Ar eilydd, Eliza Atkins yn cyroni perfformiad y Fenni gyda gol gampus, yn dawnsio heibio'r amddiffyn ac yn taro cefn y rhwyd ar yr ail gynnig. Fe gafodd Llansawel gol gysur, chwaratwt gan Lowry Baker, a'r croesiad a'r blat i Rebecca Rees.
Very, very happy. 2 from 2. Thought we played very well today. Played some good football at times. Actually, I thought we were really good at times with the way we moved the ball. Just happy. I mean, 2 wins out of 2. Couldn't have asked for a better start.
To be fair, the girls have worked tremendously hard pre-season. And even there was elements of that game today where we played some very, very good football. I know we had few players unavailable, which didn't help our cause much today. We've just got to, in my view, just shake it off, and we've got to do our best to put it right for the game next week.
I think we've set ourselves a benchmark to be top 5. That's where we'd like to be. But if we keep doing what we're doing, then who knows? We'll just keep having a go, try and break sort of the 3 big teams, and who knows what will happen on the day.